One, you have them file a Chapter 13. Well, a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, it's going to stop the foreclosure for about 30 to 45 days. And what's going to do, it's going to set a date that they have to then go in front of the judge about their chapter. So what we do is, if we have a short timeline, actually I was just looking at a deal earlier where the actual sale date's tomorrow. I said, you got to get these people on the line right now, and they got to file bankruptcy right now to be able to get this done. So the bankruptcy would be a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Now, a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is incredibly easy to dismiss. So what you do is you have them file a Chapter 13. You want to get in a good relationship. I have on speed dial a Chapter 13 bankruptcy or a bankruptcy attorney that will file Chapter 13s like that. The person goes in, and what I do is I say, listen, I'll pay for the Chapter 13 as long as you sell me your house. You go in, you talk to my attorney, you file the paperwork. It's going to stop the foreclosure. Right? I'll make sure we pay for it. We're going to pay for it. All you got to do is go in and actually file and get it done. Sign the contract with us. We turn around, sign the contract. They dismiss the bankruptcy a week or even 2 weeks later. It dismisses the bankruptcy, and then we go to sale and we close the transaction on the house. That is, I have found, the easiest, fastest path to getting to stopping a sale and getting the transaction closed immediately. Because when you do that, and like I said, you can dismiss it. I mean, any person with a single page letter, right, that's notarized, can turn around and dismiss an actual Chapter 13 bankruptcy. It's very easy to do. And as soon as you file, they're going to push out a date. It's typically 30, even 45 days out before you do that.